I am delighted to be here today and to invite you to join our unique workshop, where we will teach you about the GEMS methodology. GEMS stands for Geo-Enabling Initiative for Monitoring and Supervision. We are part of the Fragility Group within the World Bank, and what we are is a capacity building program. We focus on giving government staff, partners, and colleagues the necessary capacities to leverage simple, cheap, scalable ICT tools to collect granular data, granular field data, to feed into their M&E systems. GEMS is really about the M in M&E, which is a prerequisite for a good E. Hence, you have to, you need a good monitoring for having an adequate evaluation. So in brief, it allows to have eyes on the ground where we cannot always have boots on the ground. This example you see here is from Northeast Nigeria, where the Boko Haram insurrection and local violence makes it very difficult to monitor project results. But yet, by using GEMS method and very simple digital tools, we are able to get powerful data on what it is going on in the field in real time and without being there. GEMS has initially focused on fragile states, but since the onset of COVID-19, the demand for GEMS really exploded, and we are supporting projects in all corners of the world. So GEMS has already been deployed in over 70 countries. We have trained over 3,500 government staff from over 600 projects and in 7 languages. And we did this across all sectors. We are also very proud to share with you that GEMS was listed by the UN Innovation Network among the best innovations in 2020. So by building digital capacity, we aim to provide local ownership, sustainability, scalability, and to create a public good. During our time together, we will teach you how to become a GEMS expert yourself, and you'll be empowered to transfer the knowledge and to leverage this methodology in your own network. Thank you very much.